Dedicating one server to one application is a traditional way of installing the servers and data center. This method has so many drawbacks. So we'll discuss about the drawbacks of traditional data centers, that is 1:1 ratio method. If you are dedicating one server to one application, and if you have 100 applications and you need to purchase 100 servers. So if you are using the traditional way, you need multiple servers. If you are using multiple servers, then you need multiple switches and you need to do a lot of cabling. And the next drawback is there is a huge power consumption if you have multiple servers in your data center. So there will be more power consumption when you have a lot of servers, and you need to provide 24/7 power supply. In case of power failure, we need to provide the backup as well, power supply backup via UPS and generator, and these generators required fuel. So this is the UPS here, these are the generators, and these generators required fuel. And the next drawback is the traditional data centers required extra cooling. Why this cooling? Because servers and related devices generate an enormous heat which risk the data. So ACs must be installed to make them cool. So if you have more number of servers, they will generate more heat and require extra cooling. So in this example, if you see, we have installed ACs here to make the data center cool. We need large space in the traditional data centers because we install multiple servers, multiple networking devices. Then to manage the complete traditional infrastructure, we need huge manpower. We need network engineers, system engineers, technicians, electricians, etc. In short, the traditional data centers consume a lot of money. And the shocking part is each server in the traditional data center will utilize up to 20% of its resources, which means we are wasting 80% of resources of each server. I have taken the screenshot of one of the computers. If you see here, the CPU utilization is 2% here, memory utilization is 19%, and the hard disk utilization is 0%. So imagine you are spending a lot of money and we are utilizing only 20% of the resources of each server.